All right, it's a brand new day. Got a couple cups of coffee in me, sat around, watched some YouTube. Don't have to work today, thankfully. A little bit of a pleasant surprise last night when I finished, 9 hours worth of work in about 4.5 hours. So, instead of working and being miserable, we're gonna head over to Scotty's house and we're gonna try and pull a frame with a pickup truck. This pickup truck. This should be good. It might not work. It probably won't work. We're gonna fucking do it. So while it is generally our policy to just send in these situations, Scotty's decided that we should be responsible and wait for Chris.
I just put this pigtail in. Motherfucker.
I know like 2 seconds ago we said we weren't just gonna send it, but we're gonna send it anyway.
Oh shit. Give her hell, bud.
Go. She's going.
Nope.
Nope. Now it's on her up. Oh yeah, it did.
Oh.
I mean, I really like how the fucking belt managed to cut through the plastic entirely on the fan.
Yeah,
How does that even happen? How did the belt not shred before it got this far? Like, the belt's perfectly fine still.
It cut through the whole arm.
Yeah, like all the way. Ooh, this isn't kinked anymore.
Fuck.
ABS.
Yeah. I don't want to post because I'm keeping you like, you respond to me.
What?
You ever not post something because you know you're going to be forced to answer up to someone that you've been ignoring?
No, I just didn't respond. Island noodles. I can't wait to take a picture of this and send it to Tony. Yes, they did. They did in real life anyway. Or did they?
Yeah.
Wedding things. One was
What's going on, man?
Yes.
This handsome fellow.
I present to you Island noodles.
Yeah, let's fucking try this shit. I'm so fucking hungry.
Oh, they are the fucking business. I already ate two, so.
It is that fire.
I ate like almost all the chicken, but you'll get the idea.
I hate all the good shit.
I ate a lot
Yo,
of
give me those bitches, that's cool. I'm gonna invest in shares in this business.
Yeah, it's $11. I don't really know the fan teriyaki, but theirs is like perfect.
God, it's so fucking good.
Handsome. We gave up. We couldn't go to the beach. Hipster Beach was a fucking bust.
Everything was a bust.
Everything was a bust.
This is about to be too, but yeah.
This is probably going to be screwed too. But at least it's nice out.
Wah, 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 wah. Oh, shit.
Fuck it, claw me. Oh, they're getting warm too.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, we gotta drink these, Scotty.
Been in the backpacks, it's fucking 3 today.
You just fucking slob squat and pound a fucking White Claw.
Ain't no laws. Oh. Jewel just earned its pod. That was the second time. Yeah.
Bye, guys.
Later. Let me know if you're gonna go to Tony's or what your game plan is. I don't have one yet other than showering and...
Yeah, I'm just trying to go get cleaned up and then I'll hit you up and we can figure something out.